Example 9.10. Calculate the less buyers versus Fishes price index number for the following data. So there are price and quantity given for the year 2000 and 2010. Rice, wheat, rent, fuel, miscellaneous. There are 5 items price for the years both 2000 and 2010. The quantity for the year 2000 and 2010 is given. Solution. Let us denote P1 is a current year price, which means that here current year means 2010. P0 is the price for the base year, that is for this question base year is 2000. Current year quantity is defined as Q1. Q0 is the base year quantity where 0 represents base year and 1 represents current year. So price quantity is given. First let us solve for P0 and Q0. P0 multiplied with Q0. So P0 values here, Q0 values multiplying together 38 into 6 228, 12 into 7 84, 10 into 10 100, 25 into 12 300, 30 into 8 240. Sum together will give 952. Next let us solve for P0 into Q1. P0 Q1 multiply பண்ண போறோம். So P0 values Q1 values together multiplied 266, 12 into 10 120, 10 into 15 150, 25 into 16 400, 30 into 10 300. Summing will result 1236. Next P1 Q0 multiplied P1 into Q0, 35 into 6 210, 18 into 7 126, 15 into 10 150, 30 into 12 360, 33 into 8 264. Summation will give 1110. All P1 Q0 sum. Now let us solve for P1 Q1. Product of P1 Q1 we have to solve. 35 into 7 245, 18 into 10 180, 15 into 15 225, 30 into 16 480, 33 into 10 330. Summation 1460. So all the product with the quantity and the price product is given and the sum is also we have. So less buyers price index number formula, sum P price index number P01, it L represents, that is less buyers index number, summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into 100. Less price index number, we have the summation for P1 Q0 1110, summation P0 Q0 952 already we got in the table. Substituting these two values in the price index number formula, P01L 1110 divided by 952 will give 1.16596 multiplied with 100, 1.16 multiplied with 100 will give 116.60. That is price index number solved for less buyers. This price index number for less buyers formula 116 116. So 16% increase. On average, there is an increase of 16.60% in the price of the commodities when the year 2000 compared with the year 2010. So இவ்வளோ price increase ஆயிருக்கு 2000லேருந்து 2010க்குள்ள average increase. First is price index number P01 P summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. First is price index number summation P1 Q1 1460 summation P0 Q1 1236. Substituting these, divide will give 1.18122 into 100, 118.12. The increase is price index number for first is 118.12, 118, and on average there is an increase of 18.12% in the price of commodities when the year 2000 compared with the year 2010. FISO's price index number formula P(F01) square root of summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 multiplied with summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into 100. So all the values we have in the table, substituting all four summation. FISO's index number square root of 1.166 into 1.1812 will give 1.37. The square root of 1.37 is 1.1736 multiplied with 100 will give 117.36 for FISO's index number. FISO's index number 117.36, and on average there is an increase of 17.36% in the price of commodities when the year 2000 compared with the year 2010. That's all.